my name is Benedict Groppe. I'm the Group IT Manager or Global Head of IT for a company called IHI Ionbond. We are an international organization with around 38 sites all across the world, from Asia to North America and Europe. We are currently about 1,500 employees in size, which with around 1,000 devices to manage globally. And we tried a lot of things in the past years to come to a point where we were able to manage the whole park of devices that we have with, of course, as little effort as possible. And during our extensive search, we came to ManageEngine, which was one of the main systems that we were evaluating for the needs that we had. Of course, for us, we are in I think a lot of companies nowadays are in a big change process in the IT landscape, because getting qualified personnel is very complicated. It's not something that you can get in every corner. The processes and the requirements that we are facing are getting more complex and higher and higher. If we're looking at the data protection laws in Europe, with the changes with NIS2 coming this year and everything that accompanies that, specifically for us as a company that is in a lot of regulated or highly regulated fields, if you want to fulfill all the needs and you don't have any software, you would need 50 or 60 or 70 people that do nothing else but manage the endpoints, manage the policies, check that everything is according, especially with the board tools that you have from Microsoft and Azure. And so, of course, for us, it's also an investment in the future, because I think that 10 years from now, IT departments will have to be much smaller, because you will not find the necessary talent as easy. And you have to have a way to manage the work of 50 people with 5 people or with 10 people. And that's definitely something where the ManageEngine products helps us to save money and to improve, absolutely. For me, of course, the biggest advantage is that I have an easy overview over the status of our whole IT landscape. I can see if we are safe, I can see if the patches are carried out, I can see also with Service Desk Plus, I can see the load of my team members, I can see the amount of issues that's coming in. So for me, it gives me a great, let's say, top-down view over the whole IT landscape.
It's a pretty much good product, a centralized product for our needs, which combines basically a variety of tools and software we've used in the past, like other competitors, but still to find a product which just suits everything in there was quite complicated at the beginning, because you know the market, there are a lot of products we had to just fight through, and to find something that combines the flexibility of having some major important things like the remote management tool or other stuff was quite different and hard. But with ManageEngine, after the first sandboxing and testing phase, we were quite happy with everything we just tested, especially to be distributed all over the country and all over the world. It was quite a challenge. So I think one of the biggest complaints is the user accessibility and also the user adoption. I think this is one of the biggest challenges you have to interfere as an IT department, because you just have to think through, get innovation going, and a lot of people don't like the change of things. So therefore, I think the user adoption, how easy it was to roll out the whole product, especially also on the other hand, after a couple of weeks to just connect with the user pretty easily. As an example, the remote control, I would say that's one of our biggest successes over the last couple of months. So with that, I think we are having a good time already.